I saw an ant on the railroad track. Well, I saw an ant on the railroad track. The trail was bright. The ant was black. He was walking along, tickety-tack. Now this little ant was in search of a snack, an eastbound ant on a westbound track, looking for a crumb or a nut to crack on the shiny bright rail of a railroad track. And who am I? I'm Switchman Jack, just working my shift in the switchman's shack. I switch the train from track to track as east goes west and forth goes back. I just settled down with my brown lunch sack, napkins spread, lunch unpacked, when I spied that ant on the railroad track, hungry, hunting, tickety-tack. Now an eastbound ant will run right smack into a westbound train on a westbound track. If the switchman working the switchman shack doesn't switch that ant to a different track. Just then a sound I was taken aback. My ears filled not with tickety-tack, but a clear as crystal, clickety-clack. And on the horizon, sure as Sherlock, was a freight train fighting down the track, heading straight from the ant walking tickety-tack. 10 tons of iron, coal pitch black. Now what to do? Think quick, think Jack, before that train and ant go whack. So I grabbed the switch and dropped my sack, pull with my arms, pull with my back. But the train kept coming towards my shack. The deal was raw, the deck was stacked. The ant kept walking, tickety-tack, straight towards the train on the railroad track. Still closer charged the swift smoke track, a huffing, hurling clouds of black as I pulled and prayed for the strength I lack to switch the switch on the railroad track. But the switch was stuck, oh, wrong to whack. Those cold steel wheels would soon attack that wrong way ant on the way wrong track, just out searching for a snack. Then just before the awful smack, that ant turned off the railroad track, made a beeline for my brown lunch sack as the train whooshed by screaming clickety-clack. Saved, uncrushed, alive, off track. An ant sights pat upon the back for poise and presence, and the knack of sniffing out of a sandwich snack. So we lunched together, Ant and Jack.